So, for my other formal analysis, I chose, it's a long title, but Self-Portrait with Thorn Necklace and Hummingbird by Frida Kahlo, which is the theme of my second collection. Frida painted this painting in 1940, which is near the end of World War II, and after her divorce with Diego Rivera, actually. She used oil as her medium, which also comes as no surprise since she was a massive fan of oil paintings and using oil for all of her paintings. Almost every single one of her famous pieces, consisted of oil painting. This painting was not commissioned by anyone, obviously, since it's a self-portrait of herself. Almost none of her paintings were commissioned, since they were mostly self-portraits. Most of her self-portraits focus on showing her emotions and her experiences in life, and they're usually more on the depressing side. The purpose of this painting in particular was to show Frida's pain and agony and how she's able to endure it. As you can see that her face is really calm, even though she's bleeding and all this stuff's happening around her. In this artwork, Frida Kahlo is seen from her shoulders up with a background full of leaves, and there's one leaf that's yellow right behind her head. On her left shoulder is a black monkey, which is messing with the thorn necklace, and on the right is a black cat, which seems to be staring right past her. Just a fun fact, these two animals were actually some of her pets, since after her divorce with Diego Rivera, she filled her home with tons of pets, exotic pets, including this monkey and the cat. They were in order to combat her loneliness and depression since she was in a bad mental state. A lifeless hummingbird can also be seen hanging from her neck, along with an intricate thorn and stick necklace. If you look really closely, you can also see that there are cuts and blood dripping from around her neck, symbolizing her pain and agony, even though she keeps a calm face. Besides just looking at it and creating a visually pleasing work of art, Frida Kahlo also created a technical masterpiece. She used a contrast of color between the black objects and the leaves. As you can see, her hair is black, the monkey and the cat, and the below the hummingbird is also black. So this also creates a nice color balance and creates a focal point on Frida's face, which seems to be staring right back at you. The leaves in the background also serve as nice repetition, which adds to the overall unity of the artwork. It makes it feel more calm, and it makes it so there's less chaos throughout the piece. She also made great use of imaginary lines, such as the gaze of the monkey and the cat, which are both directing the viewer's eyes to the lifeless hummingbird. Just as a side note, by using oil paint as her medium, she also was able to create a unique texture that only oil can achieve. And overall, all of these elements come together in a nice way to create a nice sense of rhythm and calmness throughout the piece. Thank you.